Hello everyone, good to see you all. So students, today I am talking about Jolly Phonics. As you all know, through Jolly Phonics, it's very easy to learn sounds with songs and action. And after learning the sounds, easily you can able to read words and sentences. So today I will start with the group 3 sound words. Okay, so let's start. First is letter G. What is the sound of G? For the sound of G, imagine water going down through the drain. G, 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 g. So the sound of letter G is G. Okay. The next, letter O. This is very simple, and you small children like to play with that. See, lights on, off, on, off. We used to do it. Up, 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 up. So the sound of O is O. So next, the letter U. For this, you have to pretend umbrella going up. See, you lift your umbrella like this and see. Up, 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 up. So this is the sound of letter U. Okay. Now, sound of letter L. All of you like lollipops? Yes, I know. All small children like to eat lollipops. So what do? You lick your lollipops like this. You do it? Just see the position of tongue. Just see the position of the tongue. This is the sound of letter L. Okay? Now next, the sound of F. What is the sound of F? Just imagine there is a floating fish you are having, okay? Floating fish, and it gets a hole in it, okay? It gets a hole and the air passes through it. Air has gone, and how the air goes? Just imagine, do the position of your hand like this. This is the sound of F, okay? You have to do the position of your hand like this, and just imagine the air has gone from the floating fish. Okay? So, the next sound, letter B. What is the sound of letter B? Children like to play bat and ball. So, pretend, take the position of your hand like this, bat in your hand, and you are hitting the ball. B, 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 b. So, the sound of letter B is B, B, B. And now you can see the formation of these letters in cursive. As you already know, in cursive, we start with the slanting line, okay? Whenever you write the cursive letter beta, you start with the slanting line, and then you will be able to write the letters, okay? So now children, after the formation of the letters, we can start with the blending of the words, okay? So let's start. See. First word is duck, but you will not say T-U-G duck. We will not say like this, okay? You can see there are 3 dots. 3 dots are there, 3 letters are there, and the 3 dots are there down the letters. Why? Why 3 dots are there? Because there are 3 sounds. This is for your convenience. 3 letters are there and 3 dots are there, so that you know that there are 3 sounds in the letter. Okay, see how you will say D, A, G, duck. Okay, 3 dots are there. Just say the sound of the letters and then you will join the word. Nobody will say like this, T-U-G, duck. No, we don't want like this. Okay, first you say the sounds. Okay, then join the word. D, A, G, duck. Okay, next, see. Fan. Fan. So what is this? Fan. Dots are there? Yeah. So you have to join the sounds and then you have to make a word. We don't want like this. F-E-N, fan, T-U-G, tuck. You don't have to learn the spellings. First you understand the sound and make a word yourself. Okay? And after that, this is, just see, or t. What is this? Hot. Or t. Hot. Okay. Next one. B, a, g. Bug. B, a, g. Bug. See, you have joined the sounds and make a word. So easy it's. So, last one. G, e, t. Gift. Gift. See. So students, it's very easy. Letters are there, dots are given, so you just have to join the sounds. Join the sounds and make a word. So easily you will be able to learn the word and learn the sounds also. You don't have to mug up the words, you don't have to learn the spellings. You have to learn the sounds so that easily you can read and learn. Okay. So children, thing is that when the ma'am used to take the dictation, ma'am is saying sat, bat, rug, dug. You don't have to learn RUG, rug, BAT, bat. No, you will not learn like that. Okay. When ma'am is taking a dictation, just listen carefully. See, for example, if I am saying bug, okay, just remember the sounds. B, a, g, bug. Just remember the sound. You will be able to write BUG, bug. Okay. You don't have to mug up. You don't have to learn the spelling BUG, bug. Okay. So this is the thing. If I fan, just remember the sound here. Ah, fan. So easy. Okay, try this. It will be an easy method and you will be able to learn very nicely. Okay, so children, now there is one more activity for you. See, in this picture parents, mama or papa can draw for you. See, in this picture, words are written and words are written in the caps of the bottle also. Same words are there. What you have to do, you have to pick up the cap from here and put it on that word. Same word is there. But how you will say? You will say the word with the sound and then you will keep it there. So this is how again you will learn the sound and you will get the word, same word. This will help you to increase your vocabulary also. Okay, try this. It will be an interesting activity for you all and you will have fun also. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Again, I will tell you beta, try to learn Jolly Phonics sounds. It is a great help for all of us. Thank you.